Hello, in front of me I've got Xbox Series X. In this video I'll show you how to manage security settings of your account. In the beginning, enter Settings, go to Account, Sign in, Security and Passkey, and here you've got all your security settings. For example, you can select between No Barriers, Ask for my passkey, Lock it down and Customize. If you select No Barriers, this Xbox console will be available to see by other people. They can see your data, web pages and everything you've done on your console. If you ask for passkey, you'll have to enter your passkey in order to turn on your console and enter your account. If you lock it down, you'll need to authorize signing in, buying things, launching Microsoft Edge and changing settings using your Microsoft account. If you select Customize, you can select different type of security to everything you're doing on your console. For example, ask for my passkey to launch Microsoft Edge, ask for my passkey to make purchases, ask for my passkey to change settings, ask for my passkey at sign in, save Microsoft account credentials. Also, you can assign controller to your account, turn on or off instant signed in, delete your passkey, and watch legal documents. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.